is such an abundance of data points out there, it's actually trying to make sense of it in a way that is accessible but also meaningful.
If we look at previous generations of cellular net technology, is that 5G is the first technology that is made for machines.
Disruption is now a constant, and actually it becomes a business model to accept that this is not a black swan event.
The robots haven't taken our jobs. We aren't all working in lights out factories, and in fact I think that one of the revelations really of the post-pandemic era is in the value of the human resource.
If you look at our job board, multiple digital manufacturing vacancies, all the way up to chief of digital manufacturing. We are finding it really difficult to fill those vacancies.